People say guidance is in the hands of Allah. Yes, indeed it is. So who does Allah guide? Allah guides those who try. وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا. Those who struggle and strive in our ways, we will grant them guidance. We will guide them. لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ. Those who struggle and strive towards us, we will guide them to the right ways, the right paths. That's what Allah says. So what is the criteria to struggle towards something? Work hard towards achieving what is beneficial for you. Here's the hadith. احرص على ما ينفعك واستعن بالله ولا تعجز. That means work hard towards achieving that which you believe is beneficial for you and seek the help of Allah and don't be lazy. That's what Allah is saying. The rest of it, inshallah, we all rely on Allah anyway, not only for the rest, but even for the beginning of it. That's why we ask Allah's guidance all the time, every day, every single day. Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. In every unit of prayer, we're asking Allah's guidance. Oh Allah, guide us to the straight path. I've always said that is the most repeated dua on earth. The most repeated. It's repeated a few billion times a day. What is that dua? What is the supplication that's the most repeated on earth? Wallahi, I swear by Allah, it is Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. Guide us to the straight path. Because if you make your 5 daily prayers, you've already said them minimum 17 times. And if you are one and we're a few billion on earth and half of them pray 5 times a day, tell me, a quarter of them pray 5 times a day. May Allah strengthen all of us. How many times did you say, oh Allah, guide me to the straight path? You see?